Hello everyone, this is LatinLabel with another unboxing video, and today here we have my brand new 2019 iMac 27-inch, and this is what we're going to be unboxing. Ba-bam! What a beauty, huh? So guys, I'm going from a 21-inch to a 27-inch, and I'll put the specs up so you can check out what the properties are for this brand new iMac. And all right. Check out the box. Very nice. Just came in a few minutes ago. Actually, let me go ahead and give you the specs right here. Is iMac 27-inch. Make sure that it doesn't fall out. That would be such a disaster. All right. Woohoo! It says designed here by Apple in California. You've seen a lot of these unboxings. I'm not going to be using this because I used this other one, the Logitech solar one that doesn't need any batteries because it's solar. But as you can see here, has the 2.0 mouse. Some paperwork and some cables on the bottom. All right, now to the main event. Woo-hoo-hoo. Guys, I'm so excited. I've been wanting to have a 27-inch for the longest time, and I just couldn't afford it back then. Ooh, this thing is heavy. Okay, and in this piece that just fell out, here we have the connector. Just lift that up, and the power supply is right there. All right. And this is the last thing here. Let's move this box out of the way. This thing is humongous. Hold on, let me set this down. Ooh-hoo-hoo. All right. So check it out here. The other label. And basically, we're just gonna rip this out slowly. Then we want to come to the front and lift the sleeve. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yes. Thank you, God. All right, this other protective sleeve. Again, we're just going to turn it on the side. And let's see. I feel like I should be wearing gloves for this, guys. All right, one more side. Oh, actually, there's a part down here. Love that sound. Okay, and there is one more piece up here. And unfortunately, I don't have any nails. Oh, okay, I got it. There we go. All right, guys. And that's just for the memory cover and the power supply part. All right, here we go, guys. Woohoo! This thing could be a television. So nice. All right. Solid state drive. All right, thank you for watching, and God bless.